guys, and welcome back to Go Invest channel. Today I want to do a preview of gold note of hope. This gold note is a token of appreciation to Tun Dr Mahathir's battle in reigniting Malaysia's hope. Tun Dr Mahathir, he is the fourth and current or seventh Prime Minister of Malaysia. I bought it for RM160 ringgit Malaysia at a Pokong Gold branch located at Complex Bukit Jambul, Penang. Let's unbox and find out what is inside, guys. Okay. Alright. Okay. There's a silica gel so that can't find any presence of water. Alright. Alright guys, in this box there's a card explains about the pictures on the gold note, the gold note's serial number, so you guys can see, and the purity, it's 999.9, that means it's 99.9% pure gold, and the gram of the gold note, it's 0.10 gram. And he is Tun Dr Mahathir, the Prime Minister of Malaysia. Right, gold note of hope. These are the explanation. This in Malay and this is in English. Alright guys. Alright. Here you go guys. Okay, it's kind of hard to take it out. Alright. And here you go guys. The gold note of hope inspired by Tun Dr Mahathir, and it is covered in a plastic container. As you guys can see, it's covered in plastic container. This is the back part. Sayangi Malaysiaku. This is the flag of Malaysia and the national flower. It's a hibiscus. And this is Tun Dr Mahathir. And here you go guys. You guys can see fine gold 999.9. It's 99.9%, 0.10 gram. Tun Dr Mahathir Muhammad, his name is written, and you guys can see his signature as well. Alright. The another cool part of this is you can get even closer into this by opening this cover. Hold on for a minute. Alright. Alright guys, as you guys can see, it is beautifully laminated, so it's totally protected from handprints and damage or scratches, and that's the very cool part about it. So you guys can see his signature. Now you guys can see it more clearer. That's the signature of Tun Dr Mahathir. And this is the back part. Look how beautiful it is, and it's shining. Wow, that's really beautiful, and it's beautifully crafted at the sides, front, the back of it. The front, that's the KLCC Twin Tower, it's the mosque, and the army who fought for Malaysia. Alright guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay up to date for more money making videos. Thank you.